In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumloop for SEO. Beginner's Guide. We'll build a simple, repeatable workflow in Gumloop that generates high-quality, personalized outreach emails you can use for SEO activities like link building, content partnerships, or re-engagement. Start by logging into gumloop.com. From your dashboard, click Create Workflow. Give it a clear name so you and your team recognize it later. Something like email marketing, personalized drafts works well. Naming conventions matter when your workspace grows, so pick a format you'll keep using. Next, add your inputs as reusable variables. Common ones include recipient name, recipient email, company name, lead source, interest or topic, and last action if you have it. You can feed these from Google Sheets, a form, CRM exports, or just type them in manually while testing. Keep variable names short and consistent so they're easy to reference in prompts. To improve targeting, add conditions or filters. This is where you tell the workflow who gets which message. For example, if the interest equals pricing, route to a sales-oriented email. If someone's been inactive for more than 30 days, switch to a re-engagement note. If the role is founder, use a more executive tone. Smart segmentation lifts open rates and replies because people receive messages that feel made for them. For deeper personalization, add an AI analysis step. A simple prompt like, based on this lead's company and interest, suggest one key pain point and one relevant benefit to mention, gives you talking points you can weave into your message. Now generate your draft with an AI text generation step. Ask for a friendly professional email, human and concise, about 5 to 7 sentences. Make the goal to start a conversation, not push a hard sell. Include a soft call to action question, and tell the model to personalize using the variables and any pain point or benefit you just derived. If you want, you can also request subject line options, short and long versions, or brand voice matching. Add safety and compliance rules. Don't auto-send without human approval. Avoid exaggerated claims. Respect opt-outs. And steer clear of misleading subject lines. This keeps your communication on brand and compliant. Decide where drafts should go. You can save to your email provider as drafts, send to a document for editing, post to a team workspace for review, or log notes to your CRM. A clean path is draft, then review, then send. Build follow-ups automatically by checking for no